Hi, my name is Garrett Foot, and welcome to Kalispell Ford. Today we're going to show you how we perform the Kalispell Ford Express Lube oil change. It's actually a lot more than a typical oil change. We change, check, inspect, fill, and clean essential components of your vehicle to keep it running smoothly down the road. When you arrive, the first thing you'll notice are our service bays.
Guys, we got another vehicle outside.
Waiting will be highly trained Ford technicians ready to service your vehicle in the bays. There are also technicians under the bay to drain fluids as well as replace the oil filter. Once your vehicle has been pulled into the bay, our technicians get to work. They check your oil level as well as your transmission fluid, differential fluid, transfer case fluid, power steering fluid, brake fluid level, windshield washer fluid, and battery water if applicable. They'll also inspect your serpentine belts, wiper blades, antifreeze levels, engine air filtration system, exterior lights, and your chassis. While the technician under the hood is performing these checks, the technician in the lower bay, underneath your vehicle, begins his work. He'll remove the drain plug, allowing the oil to drain. Once drained, he'll replace the drain plug and install a new oil filter. That's when the technician under the hood knows it's time to refill the engine with motor oil. Now the engine is filled with fresh oil and your fluids have been checked. You see, the Kalispell Ford Express Lube isn't just an oil change. It's preventative maintenance to keep your vehicle running smoothly. At Kalispell Ford, we know your time is valuable, so we'll help you get in and out quickly so you can get on with your day. Visit kalispellford.com to schedule your service today.